Hello, how you all are doing? I hope all the videos of yogic series you are finding it valuable and implementing in your own life. Feel free to reach out to me if you have any misconception towards any concept and its application. Now, I'm back again with a new video about what is the yogic way of purification of the mind. Again, in Yoga Sutras by Maharishi Patanjali, very beautifully he has said a very beautiful verse. Matri karuda murito pekshanam sukha dukkha punya punya vishyanam bhavana chitta prasadanam. Now, let's discuss what is that 4 attributes or the 4 attitudes which was recommended by Maharishi Patanjali and how to deal with the world. Most of the time, we are unable to understand how we should react with a certain situation or with a certain people in our own life. And because of that, we end up with so much of emotional turbulences and relationship issues, which takes up so much of our energy. The energy that is required to be used for our growth, for a holistic growth and abundance, because of our own ignorance, is going towards destructive direction. So let's understand what Maharishi Patanjali is trying to say. He says, having that attitude of friendliness with the happy people, those who are happy, having that attitude of happiness, having that attitude of friendliness for them. Now, what is the psychology behind? It means, suppose you are unhappy for the person who is happy. You have attitude of not friendliness. You're not friendly with them. You are going to be jealous, and there is no point feeling bad about it. This is the human tendency. All these things, these are the lower human tendencies. We have to rise above all these things. So if you are not going to be happy, if you are not going to be friendly towards the happy people, you are going to be jealous. So better be friendly with them, cultivating that feeling of friendliness. And when you have that friendliness, you're going to be happy for their happiness. And the second attribute or the attitude one must cultivate is compassion towards unhappy people. Now, understand the psychology behind. Why not friendliness? Because the person who is already unhappy, and when you are friends with them, you are going to be unhappy too. So when you are unhappy, when you are sad, how are you going to help the other person? How are you going to lift them up? So the point is being compassionate. So when you have compassion, you are in the position to help them. So not the attitude of friendliness in this case, but being compassionate. And the third attitude which Maharishi Patanjali is talking about, having that sense of gladness or happiness towards virtuous people. Those people who are doing something amazing or some great work in the society, in their own life, we must be happy, glad towards them. Because when you are not going to be happy or glad towards them and feel that joy, it's going to take you towards jealousy and other negative emotions. There is no reason not to be happy about the people who are doing something amazing in their own life, in their own work, isn't it? So being glad towards the virtuous people, to be protected with the positive emotions and to come out of those negative emotions. And the fourth point is having that sense of indifference towards those people who are negative, those who are constantly into some sort of negative activities throughout. Not being friendly, not being compassionate, not being glad, just being indifferent. Because other attributes or the other attitudes are going to harm you in some way or the other. Because now presently we are not that much strong to influence them. But when you are strong enough to influence them, just you can go out and influence and uplift them in a very positive manner. But till the time you are not that much influenceable in the beginning, just keep a distance. Don't hate them. Don't have compassion of that sort or that friendliness, but just stay away. Maintain some distance. Be indifferent and do your job. So, these are the 4 attitudes shared by Mahasi Patanjali. He's such a scientist of the mind. So powerfully he understood the human psychology and how we need to behave in order to create a harmony in our own life and in the society. I hope really that you must have understood this video thoroughly. Still, if you have any question, you can ask me in the comment section and feel free to reach out to me. I have added my profiles in the description link. And lots of love and blessings. Stay tuned for more such videos. Thank you so much.